Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your SiteGround website, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you back up your SiteGround website? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create a backup of your website in SiteGround anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that you're going to have a lot of different contractors or assistants working on your website, and maybe you're working with somebody new, you're not too sure about their ability, so you want to be sure to back up their website before they start working on it so you can restore it if something goes wrong. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your SiteGround dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my SiteGround, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and create a backup of one of your websites, here on the top menu, click on websites. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see a list of all of your websites in SiteGround. So go ahead and just scroll through and then choose the website that you want to back up. So for example, this one, and then on the right, you're going to see this button, Site Tools. Click on there. Okay, so once you click there, you'll see another menu here on the left, and you want to click on this button, Security. It looks like a little padlock. Once you do that, you'll see another drop-down menu, and you want to click here on Backups. Okay, so once you click in there, you're going to see all the different backups that have been created automatically by SiteGround. You can see they're updating backups once per day. But if you want to manually add a backup, click right here on Backup Name. So we'll do YouTube Backup. So that's the backup name. Or maybe if you're having a contractor and his name is Bill, so you can put in here website before Bill worked on, something to reference back onto it. And you can see that there's 5 manual backup slots available. So I'm going to click here on create. Okay, now it's processing. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Actually, that took about 60 seconds. So this particular website is pretty small. There's not a huge amount of pages or data on it. I think that if you have a huge website, it's probably going to take a little bit longer. But for my website, which has maybe, I don't know, I think there's maybe 40 pages on this website, it took about 60 seconds. So now you can see on the backup down here at the bottom, YouTube backup, and it was manual. So if I need to come back in here and recover after my assistant's working in the website, I'll have this copy right here. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to back up your website using SiteGround, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.